Hello, I am Rajab Beg. This is Mighty Coding Machine, or MCM, my project for DevPost OpenAI Build Week. MCM is a Windows desktop AI coding environment that combines intelligent chat, a code editor, local execution, project search, source control, databases, and MCP tools in one focused workspace. I begin in the chat panel with a clear request: write a GUI Python program to add 4 numbers. MCM analyzes the request, selects the relevant coding capabilities, and generates the project code. The generated file is saved directly into a dedicated workspace project folder, rather than overwriting another project. Next, I use save to ensure the editor contents are written to disk. I then select run. MCM executes the active Python file through its integrated Windows terminal, captures standard output and errors, and keeps the editor, file explorer, and active project synchronized. This demonstrates the complete flow from natural language request to saved, runnable local software. Now I open Explorer. The new project and its main Python file are visible immediately in the configured workspace. I use search to find the project, then select the main file from the search result. MCM opens the same file in the editor, loads its real contents from disk, and makes it the active file. Selecting run again executes exactly this currently opened file. This workflow prevents path mismatches and makes generated projects easy to locate, inspect, edit, and run. Next is source control. This panel connects MCM to Git so local work can be managed without leaving the application. For this demonstration, I make a practical change in the opened file and click Save. I refresh source control so MCM reads the updated repository status and displays the changed file. I stage the change, enter a meaningful commit message in the message box, and select Commit Staged Changes. MCM performs the git commit in the active project repository and then refreshes the status and history. This provides a clear, auditable version control workflow: edit, save, review, stage, describe, and commit. It is especially useful when an AI-assisted change should be recorded as a clean project milestone. I now switch to the database panel. I click Connect to open the configured local SQLite database connection. Once connected, MCM reads the schema and lists the created table in the browser. I select that table, enter a SQL query in the query editor, and choose Run Query. The result is returned as structured columns and rows in the data grid. This shows that database work is not limited to chat. Users can inspect schemas, run queries, and review returned data visually. For protected operations, MCM can require confirmation instead of silently performing destructive database changes. Finally, I demonstrate MCP, the Model Context Protocol integration. In the MCP panel, I select the Fetch Server configuration, save it, and click Connect. MCM starts the configured server, discovers its available tools, and reports that one tool has been found. I select the Fetch tool and provide a web address. The tool retrieves the page content so the agent can use approved external information when needed. MCP makes MCM extensible. Compatible servers can provide focused capabilities while MCM controls connection status, discovery, timeouts, logging, and approvals for sensitive actions. Mighty Coding Machine brings AI generation, reliable local development, Git, data, and extensible tools together in one professional Windows coding workspace. Thank you.